everyone, welcome to part 3 of the Razor Service Desk tutorials. In this video we're going to learn how to view the history of your submitted tickets. A quick recap on parts 1 and 2. So in part 1 you learned how to claim your service desk licenses, how to register an account, and how to access the portal. In part 2 you learned the difference between the ticket categories and ticket types, how to index the Razor knowledge base before submitting a ticket, and we walked you through the live ticket submission process. So what are we going to learn in this video? We're going to learn how to view the history of your ticket submissions, adding comments to previously submitted tickets, and updating your view so you can filter based on what tickets you're looking for. So here we are. This is the portal page. I'm logged in currently, and I'm going to go to the top here where it says requests, and I'm going to click on requests. Once you click on requests, you can see a list of all the tickets that you've submitted in the past. You can change your filtering at the top based on whether a ticket's open or closed, if it was created by you, or if you're just a part of a particular ticket. You can filter by the request type as well. So depending on what tickets that you're submitting, you can filter there. If you know the name of the ticket, you can just search for it directly in the search box here. If you look at the data grid, you have the ticket type, the reference. Reference is really important because if you're communicating with somebody on the support team at Razor, if you have that ticket reference number, it's just a much quicker way for us to look it up for you and see which one you're referring to. The summary is the ticket summary name. Your status is, you can actually check in on the status of your ticket. And so typically the requester is just going to be your login name unless you're talking about a ticket that somebody actually added you onto. You can see who submitted it. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to go into one of these tickets here. If you want to add a comment or add an attachment, you can do that. Here's the details about the ticket. So here's your company name, Razor URL, the application topic, describe the issue, and the urgency. Activity stream here at the top is basically if when you're communicating with your Razor support technician, you'll comment back and forth on this thread here. If you want to add a comment, you click the add a comment here, type in. So if you haven't heard anything, you want to ask for a status update, you can add in a new comment. It's going to trigger a comment to the Razor team and they can get back to you through this thread. If you want to add people, you can just click the add people and type in email addresses so you can add them to the thread so they get updated with the comments as well. Okay, so if you want to go back to the requests, you click the requests and you come back to this field. So now I'm actually going to act as if I'm the agent, the Razor support agent, and I'm going to close one of these tickets and show you how the status will change. Okay, so now we're back, and if you notice that my screen's a little different here because we only have one ticket being shown, and that's because from the service desk side, I actually acted as the agent here and I closed one of the tickets and I also changed the statuses of these tickets as well. So that's what the Razor support team is going to do. So you can stay on top of only your open tickets and you can view your closed tickets as well. So if you change your filter here to close tickets, close requests, you can go in here and see that the status has been closed. Click on how do I create a user. You'll see a message from the support team that says watch this video to learn how to create a user with the YouTube link. Something along these lines will happen. It'll say when this request was resolved, and also you're going to get an automated email sent to your inbox that includes this comment as well. So if I go back and change it to open request, you'll see this is a bug that you submitted, fulfilled sales order still marked as pending, and it's currently under review by the Razor dev team. You click in here, it says this ticket's being reviewed by the Razor dev team. So once it's under review, you can stay on top of it, keep checking in, and you'll get real-time updates on when this ticket is resolved. So thanks for watching part number 3, viewing your ticket history. If you haven't checked out parts 1 or 2 yet, Introduction to Service Desk and Submit a Ticket, make sure you do so. And part number 4, Tracking Feature Requests, this video will come out in a couple weeks when we have our real-time build reports page. So in a couple weeks, make sure you follow up and check out the Razor Service Desk tutorials and you'll see an update. Thanks for watching.